Yes sir, yes sir. Rodthedrawer back here with another video, and today we have my beautiful girlfriend.
You know it's your girl.
No. Yeah, and we finna do these pumpkins for you guys, you know. Oh my god. But yeah, we finna do some pumpkins. Finna get straight into it, all that.
Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got in the state. Yeah, I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah, counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah, counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Been 1,020, spent 100.
Hey guys, so as you can see, we have 3 pumpkins. Mine is over here and right is over there, and we're gonna paint our own pumpkin, and I guess we're gonna do the big one together. So yeah. For
sure. You know how it's gonna go. My pumpkin gonna be better. My pumpkin gonna be better.
I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid.
Alright, so guys, I'm going for like a fall type leaf falling off the tree type, you know.
Oh, this is gonna come off.
Huh?
This is gonna come off. But this ain't no regular paint. This some fancy type stuff. I got the Walmart paint. Shout out to Walmart.
Oh my. Walmart is not sponsoring our video.
I wish.
Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but don't ever trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the been at boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip.
Bada boom, boom, boom.
Oh my. So guys, I got the blue, or half blue. The bottom's gonna be light blue, if that makes sense. Gonna fade it around, and she's doing it. It's a surprise, guys, so y'all let's see what she does at the end. But we finna fade this, so let's get into it.
The clock strikes upon the hour, and the sun begins to fade.
Wave. Yeah. Wave. My life is the fuse of a live bomb. On the bridge where the tide can't flow, snap vivid like the Nikon. Been cold but the vibe warm. Keep it locked like the vice arm. They got her twisted like the coat arm. Heart something froze like the snowstorm. Her toe bag match her throat charm. She from the land of the sand where they flex so subtle when her drink mint muddle. Left home and her man in the game that he played for the sand of the shade. She parades you to square in the shade.
Alright guys, so we are done painting these pumpkins. So I went with the blue. You know my fading job is a little raggedy. It ain't all that, but she went the straight yellow. I'm going with the blue, and now we finna use these Posca markers to you know, finish out the deal. Alright then. So yeah, we finna just get to it.
You know it's your girl.
Oh my.
Come on, bro.
Open them. Nah, now. guys, so we're about done. This is mine. I changed it up. I wanted to go with a more basket look than like October, December look, cause I feel like it's just more. It's just a different type feeling to it. And she's doing SpongeBob. So yeah, we're almost done. I'm just gonna write my signature on here. I think she's gonna do the same. Alright guys, so we are done. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're done with these pumpkin guys. This is mine. Oh, I almost dropped hers. But I went with the basket type look. She went with SpongeBob, as you can see. And it came out pretty well. Alright, you see how she hate on me, but we ain't gonna talk about all that. But yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, guys. Come back to see another one. Make sure you comment, you wanna see another video with us together. And yeah, we out. Alright. Alright.
He out, but I'm in.
Alright guys, I'll see y'all later.